What is going on, guys? It's Solomon and welcome back to these tutorials. So in the previous tutorials we learned how to customize our website and made it look exactly like this one here. Okay, so in these tutorials we are going to continue with the customization, and at the end of this one you should have something like this. Okay, so enough of me talking, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I want to do here is to set the colors. Okay, because I understand that we set it before and we could not finish the coloring. So today I want to show you how to completely set the colors. Okay, so we'll move back to the options here, and then we'll click on colors, and then here we'll choose white. Okay, we'll also choose white here. Then here we'll also choose white. And then the bottom will also choose white here. Alright, so here I will also choose white color here, and then at the primary link color here I will choose red. Okay, so I think here is also red. Alright, so I will save it now, and then let's preview it. Okay, I don't think much is going to change, but let's see. Okay, so we have a logo here. The logo banner changed to red, and okay, so it's looking nice now. Okay, so the next thing is we'll try to remove this logo and put this logo here. Okay, so you should note that this logo is copyrighted. I'm just using it because of this tutorial, so you should not use it for your personal websites. Okay, so I'm going to just paste the link to the logo directly. I'm not going to download it. Okay, so I'll move down to general, and then I'll change this to standard and here to small. Okay, so here I will paste the link to the logo here. I'll also paste it here, and then I'll also paste it here. Alright, so after that I will save the file, and then let's preview that again. Alright, so I think something is coming up now. So it's looking exactly like this website, though we have to also do more customization. Alright, so moving down, let's see what else we need to do here. Okay, alright, so let's fix the menus. Let's try to make the menus look exactly like this. So I'll go to the options again. I'll click on menus under appearance. Okay, so on the main menu, if you notice we have lots of menus. I'm just going to delete the ones I don't want. So I'll delete a lot here. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and delete them and come back. Alright guys, so I just finished editing it, though the order is not necessary. Okay, so I'll check on the main menu here, and then click on save menu. Okay, so that is done. Then I will also open here again under footer menu, select it, and then set that footer menu to footer menu here. Okay, make sure you are in footer menu. Okay, so we have this flyout menu here. So the flyout menu is that menu that you see when you click on this place here. Alright, so let's go customize that one. Okay, so I will create a new menu called flyouts. Click on the create a new menu here. Alright, so give it a name. I will just simply call it flyout and then create. Okay, so once you create it, you need to add menus to it. So what I will simply do to save my time is just to select all the categories except for uncategorize and then add. So you can simply add some pages. So I will simply select all the pages here except for sample page, full length, this, and then I will also add. So I'll move the home page up, and then I will set it to the flyout menu, and I will just simply save menu. Okay, so once that is done, if you look at your website now, let's try to refresh. If you look at our website now, we are having menus. We also having the footer menu down here, and then if you look at the flyout menu, it comprises of those pages also. Alright, so the next thing we need to set is to remove this drop down here. Okay, so if you look at the website we are trying to create, there is no drop down menu here. Okay, so to do that, we simply click on the screen options, and then we check CSS classes, right? And then we switch to the main menu. So click on the main menu and then select. Okay, so when that loads, let's also check if we have that check. Okay, so it's still checked. Let's look at category. So we just simply take off this class here. Okay, so once you do that, you have simply removed the drop down menu. So I'll take this one off. I'll also take this one off, and watch it so you don't create a drop down menu here. Okay, so I'll take this one off too, move this one back, and also this one. Okay, so after that I will save the menu and then try to refresh my page again. Alright, so once you do that and then you hover this menu, you notice it is not dropping down again. So we've successfully created our menus, right? So the next thing we need to do is to set the layout of this website. So if you look at the way this one is displayed, it's kinda in a box. Okay, so we have some spaces here and some spaces here, while this one is taking over the full page. Okay, so let's try to do that. Alright, so to do that, you need to go to customize. You need to go under additional CSS. So here I'm going to paste some lines of code here. You could request for it later. Alright, so if you request for it, I'm going to send you a full package containing the theme, the plugins, and also some of the codes that I use to customize this website. Okay, so you already know how to do that. Just simply subscribe to my website and then send me a mail. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and then paste in the code. Alright guys, so I just paste in the codes here, and then I'm going to publish it. And then once you do that, let's try to refresh our website again. Alright, so we have that size. Okay, so now we have our website displayed in a box format, if you call it that way. Okay, so exactly this is how this website looks like if you look at it. Though there are some things we need to do, but I think, yeah, that is pretty much it. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to like it. If you have somebody that will benefit from it, don't forget to share. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, because I post videos like this every week, and also post videos on web development, backend development, and all of that. So every week, so you don't want to miss a thing, just subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to drop me comments in case you have any difficulties. So until next video, keep pushing.